Sammy, what is it?
Oh, it's a new doll stuff. Look.
Oh, hey, I'm the one who ordered it. It's mine. Hi, what's going on here? My Avatar doll has arrived. Wow, let me see and play. No, it's my doll. I'm not giving it to anyone. Oh yeah? Sammy, follow me. We have a new challenge. We're gonna make our own cool doll.
Oh, I'm game.
So pretty. Let's dress her up. Oh, there's so many options. And you wanna craft one? Give it a try.
You'll see, Nancy. It's gonna be an amazing craft.
That's right, Sammy. Now what do we have here? Oh, great. The torso's ready. How are you gonna put on her pants and skirts? Forget it. My doll's already got a wig.
Stacy's gonna let me wear the wig.
Of course. Just wait. We still have to finish the doll.
Here, take the foil for the head frame.
Oh, thanks. Nancy, check this out. What do you think, huh? Keep molding, bestie. Just look how lovely my doll's face is. I have to speed up and make her jaw drop. Here, I finished. Wow, she's quite good. Let's attach the head. Oh, look how funny it spins. Catch!
Oh, a jumping head!
Look out, I'm gonna get you!
Zombie doll's invasion! Close your eyes, sweetie!
Oh, we'll make you a scared face. Is it even here? Terribly pretty, my precious. And my doll's legs aren't functioning. Ugh.
Try to put it on this pin. Then it'll work just fine.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. What do you think now, Nancy? I'm beginning to like this doll too. She and mine could become besties. Cool. And we'll let her wear my doll's clothes. I can't. It doesn't fit.
And we'll make her a new outfit. First we need to take measurements.
Now we need the material. Clay clothes are the most durable. I don't even know how it's gonna work. Look, we'll mold it right on the doll. Dexterity and no cheating.
Huh? Where's the back? It's weird.
You don't get it, Sammy. It's the latest trend. Want one?
No. Hands off. I'm a designer, not a model.
Oh no, my doll's half is gone. Help!
Don't panic. I'll find her and bring her home.
This is all I have. What should I do? Hey, we can play with the legs separately. Put on some fancy shoes and the perfect look is ready. I should make it for my doll too. She'll walk proudly down the street. Oh, I mean the table. My doll has many different looks. Get as much inspiration as you want. I also decorated her shorts with stickers. We can mix outfits for a whole fashion show. Uh-oh, silly me. I need to mold her pants. Do you have a warehouse in there? Come on, so fast, how? My doll will be watching your every move.
Here we are. Found her on the way out.
My super strong helper will get her. Yay, thanks. I think I'll glue the legs to prevent further escapes. Yay, let's get her ready to their first meeting. I want to dress her up again. Look how well this color suits her. We can finally play. Great, you got me inspired to design an upgrade. Well then, we'll dress up somewhere too. That's it. Oh, we should defo try this. Get the clay, Sam.
I made up a rock jacket. All you need to do is craft it.
I'll make it even better than you thought. Now we'll add some pink elements. Will it fit for my doll too? Clay outfits are the new trend. Hey, I'm your best friend. Let me wear it. Shall we arm wrestle for it? Let's go. I'm gonna beat you. I've got an idea. Come here. Hey, what are you doing? My hair! Check this out. Amazing. It doesn't work with mine though. I'll figure something out too. A super cool headband. Maybe I should make one for my doll. First, give her a haircut. Then we'll see.
So, how is it going? Are you ready to choose the best doll?
No, Sammy, time out. A new hairstyle is on the way. When are you gonna do her hair?
Shall we make her hair out of threads or paper?
No and no. It'll be hard to attach and they'll tear quickly. What's taking you so long?
Ooh, I have an idea. Here! It's like clay, but more flexible.
think this'll work.
While your girlfriend is at the hair salon, we'll try on some new accessories. Check these out. Oh. Excuse me, we're making a surprise. See you later. Fine, we'll have it all to ourselves. Uh-oh, we have to hurry. I haven't picked out a new look for you yet. Oh, let's not forget about the wig. There it is. And a headband as the finishing touch. We're ready.
But I'm not done yet. We need to add some stickers. I chose these eyes and lips. You're about to see our doll come to life.
Give me those stickers. Wow, they look so cool.
Don't get upset. Here you go. Take whatever stickers you want.
Oh, it's nice when you get along. Let's test them right away. We don't need these anymore. Okay. Wow, what a makeover. There's still some of my stickers left. What should I do with them? I know. Check out this cool fashionista.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Yeah, you should decorate your doll with stickers too.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. What a great idea.
Whee! Check out my pretty girl, Avastar.
And my doll, too. Which one do you like more?
Oh, it's hard to choose. They're both great.
But I have a trump card up my sleeve. Hop.
Show me, what are you hiding up there?
Uh-huh. Look what I've got. Can you guess?
More clay? What is it for?
So we can make more accessories. Check out this purse.
Not fair! There's no purse in my set!
Wait, I've got the best idea ever. Our dolls can share stuff. They're friends now. Deal?
Deal. We're both in. Thank you. Let's have a friendly fashion show. Stay tuned!
It was a great idea to swap stickers.
I like it too. Their outfits look so much better. Oh, my feta, you switched them! Oh. Do you want some too? Huh? I'm not your pet flying hat! Which doll do you like? If it's my fashionista, give a thumbs up!
And if it's my craft, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye!
Coming up.
What wouldn't you do in the name of love, right? Ken, come here.
Sure, I'm on my way.
Where are you going?
It'd be easier if I could see.
Ken, what's up with you? You have to go the other way.
Whoops! Ouch!
That's great. Now we can take all the measurements we need. Sit still, please.
So what do I do now?
Let's go get you some ice cream, huh? So nervous.
Now we need to give the curve for this piece. Hey, Sammy, help, please.
I'm right here. What is it? Hey, what are you doing? That tickles. Stop that. Stop it right now. Phew, you've got me spun around. Huh. Now, it's time for Mechanic Sam to take over. Let's see what we've got here. Sue, a 10-jack wrench. Thank you. So, first we fix this, and now we'll fix that. And a little bit more here. Uh-huh. Very well. For us, mechanics, wrenches are like magic wands.
Wow, I didn't realize mechanics had such extraordinary powers.
That's nothing. I can do better than that. No one can compete with me. I am the king of mechanics.
Have you brushed your teeth today?
Oops. I think I forgot. I'll be right back. Take that, bad breath. The king of mechanics should never, ever have a bad breath. There you go.
Oh, that'll work for us as a car seat.
Huh? What? The seat? Oh, you're welcome.
We're missing the main part, though. The steering wheel.
Here, a cookie will make a perfect steering wheel.
won't do for us, but you can eat it.
Yay! Yummy! Oh, I could eat this all day.
Okay, we need something stronger than a steering wheel cookie. Like this, for example. Just what we need. I hope Ken loves the color.
Sue is so focused. I'm gonna prank her.
You scared me. How could you?
I'm a wild, scary slime. I come from the jungle. You'll never ever catch me. I'm like a shadow, like a lynx, like a... Let me go. Ouch! Stop that. Hey, those were my ears. Ouch!
Oh, what a cool texture. I think I have an idea. Let's use it to decorate the interior of the car. And we'll start with the seat. But first, we need to remove all the unnecessary stuff. Here we go. And let's not forget to add texture. It turns out so colorful and bright.
Hey, Sue, here are the seat backs. They have to be just as pretty, too.
Oh, that's right. Thank you, Sammy.
Look at the cool headrests I found.
Absolutely, they fit just perfectly. Now we'll glue it all together, like this.
Okay, let's glue this piece over here.
Not that way.
Oops! My bad! Uh-oh, our car has no bottom. I'm gonna fix that in a jiffy. Looks like Mechanic Sam's help is needed here. A fix, a tweak, I'll get my hammer. Here we go. Hammer will fix that in no time. Nice. Phew. That was a tough one. I'm gonna go get some water.
Great job, Sammy. Everything's so neat. Well, I'll keep up with you too. We need to texture coat our car. Let's choose the most colorful and unusual ones. Great! Now let's add all the missing pieces, such as the steering wheel, control panel, and seats.
Hey, Sue! I brought you water. Do you want some?
No thanks, but we're going to need a straw.
Oh, okay then.
We're going to use it to get our car moving. And now for my magic trick. Split it into halves, and voila!
Huh? Why did you break my last straw, Sue?
To make the axes, of course.
I've got just the thing for the wheels.
Oh, those lids would make great wheels.
But everything has a price. I accept candy as payment.
So that cookie wasn't enough, huh?
Nope, it was just a light snack.
I only have this. Would you do it for Barbie and Ken's love?
All right, Sue, but you're lucky I want candy too badly right now.
Haha. Yeah, your sweet tooth really comes in handy sometimes. I wonder if Ken has gotten ready for his date. Okay, let's glue the texture circle. Oh, it's a cookie. That's more like it.
You get me worried, Sue. What if Ken could read minds and find out about the car?
You are so funny.
Yeah, but what are we gonna do next?
Shall we decorate the wheels?
Oh, I know. There, look what I got.
That's perfect.
How does it look?
Looks great, Sammy. Now let's add one more little detail here.
Huh, you only have to make 3 more of these.
That's 3 whole wheels. I'm so tired.
Sit tight. I have a surprise for you.
You do? No way. Sammy, you already took care of it.
Yeah, I love helping my friends. Now, let's move on. With these super-duper sticks, we can put our car on wheels. Just a second. Ugh. Nothing is impossible for Mechanic Sam, but this. It's your turn.
Don't worry. Sue the mechanic to the rescue. Here we go. Perfect fit.
Sue, you did such a good job. What a cool car we've got. Hurry, I want to test drive it now. Ride me like the wind. Yeah, faster, faster. Ouch! I'm fine, but the car sure could use some protection. Once again, Sam the mechanic saves the day. That's much better, huh? Only one thing is left. Bring it on, Sue. Come on. Yeah. Good girl.
Oh, this windshield is no good at all. It'll be blown away in the first wind.
I hear you need Mechanic Sam's help again. Sammy's here to help. What's going on, Sue?
I don't have a windshield that fits our car.
Oh, hang on. Okay. I've got a spare somewhere around here. Oh, there it is.
great, Sammy. It fits perfectly. Thanks.
Don't mention it. It's a mechanic's duty. For the next part, we need an empty carton. Where can we find one? Oh, there it is. How lucky I am today. There must be something yummy in there. Ew! It's milk? No, I can't drink that. Ew.
Such a drama queen. I'll drink it. Give it here. We need the box anyway.
Oh, my Tibidaba! This is wild, drinking milk without cookies.
What is it? You had a juice box the whole time?
Milk is good for your bones.
That's easy for you to say. Fine, let's get on with it. So, what have we got here? Radiator screen, just what we need. Let's glue it where it belongs. Ooh, we forgot the headlights.
I look so cool.
Sammy?
Ah, what's wrong?
You scared me.
Well, you scared me.
What's that on you?
It's my Halloween costume. Haven't you thought of your costume yet?
Oh, Sammy, Halloween is still months away.
Oh, is it? Whoopsie.
But these things will come in handy for our craft. Let's make them into headlights for our car. Add foil to make them bright and shine far and wide. Here we go. No more fear of the dark.
Yay!
And this costume will definitely be the one to go for.
Sammy, do you happen to have a mirror?
There you go. But be careful, don't get it stained.
Nice. Our front mirror is ready. Let's glue it on.
I look handsome in it. I'd love more mirrors, Sue. I want to see myself from every angle. Oh, you made them already? Wow! Let's attach them now. That's what I'm talking about. 3 mirrors and Sammy's so handsome in all of them. Yay!
It's a car for beach fun. Let's add more fun colors. And taillights too. Here, you can't do without them.
Do not forget Ken's license plate. It's special.
Here we go. Oh, there's a little heart. So cute.
Hey, Ken, I've got a surprise for you. What?
Ugh, I ate so much candy. I don't want any surprises. Just more candy.
Come on, get up. You'll love it. You'll see. Are you ready? Take off your glasses. There it is, the car of your dreams.
Wow, I can't believe it. It's so cool. Friends, thank you so much.
Hey, everybody. What's all this about?
Oh, Barbie, look at this cool car. It's mine.
Wow, I can't believe it. So pretty.
Hey, Barbie, are you ready to hit the beach? Let's go.
Yay, of course. I can't wait. Hey, you all right?
I totally forgot. I can't drive.
Not a problem. I can drive any vehicle. Scoot over.
Oh, Barbie, what would I do without you?
Are you ready? Let's go.
They're so cute. Well done, Susie. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, dear friends.